Welcome to this charming home located in Eastwood, one of the smallest neighborhoods in KW, but offering so much. Bordered by the East Ward with its charm and history, and the downtown core where you'll find the Center in the Square, Kitchener Main Library, and the bustling Kitchener's Farmers Market, you'll always have something to see and do. Right across the street are the beautiful Rockway Gardens, and this location also boasts easy Highway 401 and Expressway access. Schools, parks, trails, shopping, and entertainment all located within minutes of this immaculately maintained and updated home. Much more spacious than it appears, the beautifully updated kitchen, complete with granite slab counters and new cabinetry, flooring, and backsplash, awaits the new owner. The entire home has been freshly painted, and the upstairs master bedroom is a wonderful escape. Incorporated into the updates and upgrades, the original charm of the arched doorways, handcrafted ceilings, and some original windows shine through. The fully finished basement offers a second kitchen and lots of space for entertaining or maybe even a mortgage helper. Through the sliding glass doors, the large composite deck overlooks the landscaped and manicured backyard, perfect for those quiet summer nights. Unique homes like this are a rare find, offering charm and character, along with modern upgrades. Don't miss out.